Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Robiatul Akhlakul Karimah and I'm from Education Biology offering B 2019. Now I will presentation about Zika raises the questions. Are mosquitoes necessary? From Jason Beetle, published on 7 February 2016. Firstly, we must know about the mosquito. What is the mosquito? The mosquito is tiny, frail, immensely squashable, and yet capable of such destruction. Mosquitoes are the primary factor of malaria. So, if they disappear, malaria certainly works too. According to the World Health Organization, about more than 4,000 people died from malaria in 2015. Similarly, the mosquito species most responsible for the current outbreaks of Zika virus are also the primary cause of dengue virus and yellow fever, and humans aren't the only ones laid low by mosquito-borne disease. The next is, in the wake of a rapidly expanding Zika virus epidemic, many have talked of declaring war on the insects responsible for transmitting many of the world's worst diseases. One of the examples is prior to the 1018, mosquitoes did not exist on the Hawaiian island. So, the wildlife there had no natural resistance to the disease they can carry. When mosquitoes arrive as hittakers on human ships, countless species of native Hawaiian birds are decimated by diseases such as avian pox virus. But what would happen to environment if poof, all the mosquitoes simply disappeared? Their short answer is no one's no. There's no questions talks that is of the 3050 plus mosquito species has its own role to play in nature. There are many benefits of mosquitoes. First, male mosquitoes, for instance, eat nectar, making some species major pollinators of plants, such as some crops and flowers, even orchids. Second, mosquitoes of all ages and sexes serve as a food source for all kinds of creatures, such as fish, turtles, dragonflies, migratory songbirds, and bats. And then, what about bats? Perhaps more than any other animals, bats are often thought as being the mosquito's greatest menace. Surely, removing all the mosquitoes would affect bats more than most. So, not so, says Winifred Fricks, a bat biologist at the University of California, Santa Cruz. Most bats are actually generalist predators. In fact, some mosquito species are most active during the day, meaning bats would have very few opportunities to feed on them at all. There aren't any bat species that specialize specially on mosquitoes, says Frick. There are two notable diabetic mosquitoes, includes Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus, the species most implicated in the recent cases of Zika virus. This is Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus. Aedes aegypti originated from Africa, but it is now distributed globally in tropical and subtropical regions. Global redistribution was assisted by mass human migrations, first to the New World associated with the slave trade between the 15th to 19th centuries, and then to Asia as a result of trade during the 18th and 19th centuries. Worldwide redistribution occurred after World War II following troop movements. In addition to the global distribution of mosquitoes, rapid human population growth and increased urbanization has led to substandard housing, inadequate water supply and waste management system, and consequently an abundance of mosquito breeding sites, shortage of drinking water and other urban water containers including plants, pot bases, contouring, tarpaulins, tires, and distracted containers can all collect rainwater and provide habitats for Aedes aegypti larvae. Importantly, mosquitoes do not naturally carry virus. Mosquitoes must acquire them from an infected person before they can transmit them to another person. Only female mosquitoes bite, requiring the blood for egg production, and therefore only female mosquitoes transmit virus. For Aedes albopictus has undergone a dramatic global expansion facilitated by human activities, in particular the movement of used tires and lucky bamboo, together with passive transit via public and private transport. This had resulted in a widespread global distribution of I. albopictus. It is now listed as one of the top 100 invasive species by the Invasive Species Specialist Group. And then ecological plasticity. The success of the inventions of Aedes albopictus is due to a number of factors including its ecological plasticity, strong competitive attitudes, globalization, increase of trade and travel, lack of surveillance, and lack of control. Climate change predictions suggest Aedes albopictus will continue to be successfully invasive species that will spread beyond these current geographical boundaries. And then this mosquito is already showing signs of adaptations to colder climates, which may result in disease transmission in new areas. However, it could turn out that the methods that we would see to eradicate mosquitoes, such as parasitics like DDC, will be more deadly to bats than less prey, she says. She hunting mosquitoes where it hurts. It's worried that the collateral damage of extensive parasitic spraying could have very dire impacts on bats as well as other wildlife, says Frick. And last from presentations is whether or not the total eradication of mosquitoes is even possible. It probably isn't. There's still so much we don't understand about what biologist Wilson once called the little things that run towards. That's all my presentations. Thank you so much. Dadah.